In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link a button to a section in Elementor. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just getting started with Elementor, creating seamless navigation is crucial for an enjoyable user experience on your website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to guide your visitors smoothly from one part of your page to another with just a click of a button. Let's dive into this simple process step by step. First, you'll want to open the Elementor editor on the page you'd like to edit. As you know, Elementor is a powerful tool for creating stunning websites with ease, and the editor is where all the magic happens. Once you're in the editor, navigate towards the section of your page that you want your button to link to. It's important to identify exactly where you want your users to land when they click that button. Now, click on the section you're targeting. In the left panel, you'll see a variety of settings. Find the Advanced tab, where you will locate a field labeled CSS ID. This is where you assign a unique identifier to your section. You can type something descriptive here, for instance, contact section, if it's your contact area. Try to keep it simple and straightforward so that it's easy to remember. With your CSS ID in place, let's shift our attention to the button that will serve as the navigation link. Locate the button on your page that you want to link to the section. Click on this button, and then head over to the left panel for the button settings. Here, you'll find a URL field where you typically enter the link destination. To link this button to your section, type a hashtag followed by the CSS ID you just created. So, if your ID was contact section, you would enter contact section in the URL field. This hashtag tells the browser that it's a specific part of your current page rather than an external link. After you've entered the CSS ID with the hashtag in the button's URL field, give it a quick test. Preview your changes by clicking on the eye icon located at the bottom of the Elementor panel. This will take you to a live view of the page where you can test the button. Clicking it should now smoothly scroll you down to the exact section you aimed for. It's quite satisfying to see how a simple action can improve navigation on your site. If you want to make any changes, just head back to the editor, tweak your settings, and continue tinkering until it meets your expectations. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully linked a button to a section in Elementor. With this technique, you enhance the functionality and user experience of your website, making it more intuitive for visitors to interact with. Thank you for joining me today, and feel free to explore these features further or reach out with any questions. See you next time.